corgi butt. Look at that little corgi butt. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you guys are new here, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is going to be 2 date night outfits that I wanted to share with you guys. All of the items that I'm going to be talking about are from Rue 21. Super cute, super adorable, and affordable pieces of clothing and accessories, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I've put together. I am piecing together 2 outfits, one of which is a casual look and one is just a smidge more dressy. I don't want to keep you any longer. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys are these adorable earrings. Look at how cute they are. They are like a dangly earring. They are gold and it's just 2 hearts. How perfect is that for Valentine's Day? I feel like I'm not usually the biggest like dangly earring fan, but these I can get down with. They are so pretty, so cute, and once again, they were super affordable. So I decided to pair these earrings with this outfit that I'm wearing right now, which is a super pretty like blue cardigan. I just thought it was so different. Like, I don't see these colors out in stores right now, and I like to be a little bit different. So I thought I would pick something different than the usual red or pink that everybody wears. So I picked out this really pretty, like, it's almost like a darker, like powder blue color cardigan, and I paired it with a white cami. This white cami has a lot going on. We have the eyelash lace here and then the crisscross action. It is a spaghetti strap. And I just wore a regular bra, but it doesn't matter because I'm wearing a cardigan. So I paired these 2 things together with the earrings, and then to tie it all together, the cutest belt ever. It is just a black belt, but it has a heart, a gold heart little buckle. It's so stinking cute. I probably wouldn't pair this outfit with these jeans I'm wearing right now. These are just some random jeans I had in my closet. All my other ones are dirty, so I apologize for that. But even black jeans would look super cute. It would kind of give the outfit just a little bit more of a dressy look, I would say. Honestly, when you throw black pants on, it always looks just a little bit more dressy. So you could throw some black skinny jeans on with this heart belt. Would be super adorable. You could wear flats, you could wear sandals, you could wear heels, wedges, whatever you want. I'm just, like I said, a little bit more of a casual kind of gal. This is a longer cami. I just decided to tuck it in here, but you could even tie it up in the front. But I will show you how long it is. It's a little bit wrinkly because it's been tucked in, but it is longer. It is just super cute with this cardigan. Okay, my next outfit, which is actually my last outfit, is the one that's just a little bit more dressy. It is this really pretty off the shoulder. It's actually a jumpsuit, believe it or not. I know it looks like a, almost like a bodysuit with flowy floral pants, but it's all one piece. Like, these are sewn together, which actually makes it like super comfortable, like crazy comfortable actually. It does have a tie here at the waist, so you can cinch it in even more if you want, or loosen it up. It is an elastic waistband, so it's super comfortable. And the legs are very, very flowy. I love this outfit. I would definitely pair it with these earrings. I think gold goes very well with this whole color scheme I have going on here. I'd probably wear a nice little dainty necklace, and I feel like I would wear my hair down with, like, parted on the side with a cute little clippy on one side. I just feel like that would be so cute. And then I feel like I would wear like peep toe, like booties or something. I don't know. Depends on what vibe I'm going for, but I just think this would be super, super pretty, and it's also really comfortable. I picked this jumpsuit up in a 2X and it fits me perfectly. Speaking of the little clippies that I was telling you guys about earlier, I did pick some up from Rue 21. I think they are super, super cute. These would go well, once again, with the color scheme of this jumpsuit. I just think they're adorable. And then, of course, I couldn't pass this up. It's a corgi. This is so random, I know, but it's a corgi. How cute. Look at that little corgi butt. Look at that little corgi butt. I picked this up because every time I do my makeup, my hair is like completely in my face, and I just needed something to like get the hair out of my face so I have a nice clean hair-free canvas to work with when I'm doing my makeup. I feel like these are especially good when you're on a time crunch and you have somewhere to be. I feel like when I have my hair down when I'm doing my makeup, it takes me like twice as long because I'm constantly like trying to get the hair out of my face. So pick that up because I thought it was so cute. Oh, this is embarrassing. Let's go ahead and just address the elephant in the room. It's a different day and I am in different clothes. I filmed that video yesterday and let's just say I forgot to film an outro. So here we are filming said outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I really enjoy filming videos like this. I will leave everything that I talked about today linked in the description box below, as well as the link to just the Rue 21 website in general. Go shop, go find you some cute date night or Valentine's Day outfits. If you guys do end up purchasing anything, tag me in your pictures. I want to see what you guys came up with. I'm super excited to see that. I think that is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.